Welcome to another Pole Position Car Care video. Today we're going to show you the process we use to remove and replace badges on a car. I start by placing tape around the current badge so I know the exact spot to put the new one. I use a heat gun to gently heat up the glue that's holding the badge in place. I'll then slowly pull fishing line behind the badge and pull it away from the car. To remove the excess glue residue from the car, I apply tar remover and use the heat gun again. The final step before placing the new badge on is to polish the area to give it a smooth, clean surface to bond to. Finally, I'll stick the new badge on and remove the tape. This little art bath is looking awesome for the customer. Now all chrome badges are replaced for black. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for loads more detailing videos to come.